Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn 100 household vocabulary. Let's dive into the topic. Window, curtain, comb, mirror, bed, mattress, pillow, cushion, blanket, bolster, couch, sofa, armchair, chair, stool, table, desk, drawer, bookcase, cupboard, wardrobe, almirah, chandelier, doormat, rope, prom, clock, torch, hearth, radio, television, refrigerator, rocking chair, iron, socket, plug, switch, ladder, stepladder, vacuum cleaner, broom, feather duster, cobweb, dustbin, dustpan, mop, plate, saucer, tray, bowl, colander, sifter, winnow, basket, bucket, fork, spoon, spork, ladle, tongs, knife, scissors, grater, cup, mug, kettle, mitts, apron, whisk, peeler, strainer, string, thread, needle, toothpick, plunger, carpet, spatula, skimmer, stove, peppermill, mortar and pestle, swing, tap, hanger, towel, sink, watering can, nail clipper, tweezers, crib, lamp, pliers, hammer, chisel, shovel, churner, jug, gloves, and the last one is grinding stone.